Here is how you can change currency symbols for Google Sheets. First, select the rows you want to change, and click Format, Number, and Custom Currency. Next, select your currency and press Apply. Repeat this step for all cells that have currency symbols. Now we are going to change the currency symbol on the graphs. To do that, right-click on the graph, go to Axis, and select Vertical Axis. Then, from the Number Format drop-down, please select More Currencies. Search your currency here and then click Apply. That's everything you need to know to change currency. Happy budgeting!